At M. Davis & Sons, we know that when it comes to industrial electric work, there is no room for error. From simple wiring upgrades to complex substation installations, our highly trained and experienced electrical craftsmen are on hand to assist you with all your industrial electrical field services, off-site services, and maintenance needs. Using and installing only the finest systems on the market, M. Davis specializes in complex and unusual electrical projects that demand exacting specifications and ambitious solutions you cannot find anywhere else. We offer a comprehensive range of services across a broad range of industries and utilize state-of-the-art techniques and equipment with industry-leading 24/7 service. Whether you're in the market for a new installation, upgrades, renovation, or maintenance, you can turn to M. Davis for impeccable service, masterful workmanship, and superior quality. Inquire about your project to get started today.